How to use Google VEO 3 for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up Google and search for Google One. After that, open up the first link and this is where it will take you. Now scroll down and over here you can see various plans. Simply scroll down further and here you would get this plan of Google AI Pro and it is absolutely free at this moment, so make sure that you get it for free, and it is absolutely free for first month, but make sure that you cancel up your plan right after getting it up so the money don't deduct from your account. And also this plan is only allowed once per Gmail account, so make sure that you don't already have this plan upgraded on one of your Gmail account. Get it for a fresh Gmail ID. After getting this, search for Google Gemini and open up the very first link, and this is where it will take you. Now over here you need to switch to the Gmail ID which you used in order to get this particular upgrade, and after that use the similar Gmail to access Google Gemini. After that, make sure that you have 2.5 flash selected over here, and after that click on this option of tools, and here you get this option of videos with VEO. And also if you are in a country where VEO 3 is not accessible, then make sure that you are using a VPN, otherwise the VEO 3 will not work. And just get any of the VPN, there are plenty of them. You can use Windscribe as well if you want to, and after that switch it to the country where VEO 3 is available, and this way you would be able to use VEO 3 for absolutely free, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.